with Shraka. हम आप लोगों के लिए काफी informative and exciting content लेके आ रहे हैं. We have invited a lot of wedding experts and we'll make sure that we'll keep these videos short. चले, let's go. Today we are at Uttoda Beach in Goa, South Goa especially, and we are going to check out this beautiful property called Royal Orchid. It is a very small property and very apt for your intimate gatherings, whether it is a intimate wedding or anniversary or any such social events which you want to do with your close knit family and friends. This is the place. Let's go and check out this property. This hall which is called Seasons, which can be divided into two parts. So in case if you have some small functions for both the families, you can divide it into two parts and do the functions. It has a capacity of around 90 to 96 people in cluster seating, which is round table. And in case if you want to do a theater seating, it can take approximately 150 people. We are at the poolside lawn. This is the lawn which can take approximately 200 guests. You can just check the lawn which is just adjacent to the pool. Be it Mehendi, Haldi or any other event which you want to plan close to the poolside, this is the venue which you can think of. We are at the party lawn of this property. So this property has a beautiful party lawn which can take approximately 1,000 odd people. And it's a beautiful lush green lawn, covered with all coconut trees from the sides. Beautiful place. And they also have another venue which is on the beach. Let's go and check that as well. So this is the sand lawn venue of the property. So this venue is inside the property. So in case if you want to do a wedding on the beach, overlooking the beach in fact, you can select this venue as your reception venue, or if you want to do a fera also, you can do it fera as well. Thank you very much for watching this episode. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये content किसी के लिए important है, please share with them. And in case if you want us to cover a specific topic or content, please comment below. Thank you.